Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, my dear friends, we are going to learn about a poem in class 8 English Honeydew textbook, and the name of the poem is Macavity the Mystery Cat. The name of the poem is Macavity the Mystery Cat. You can see the cat over here. It is the cat whose name is Macavity, and the caption is given like this: Macavity the Mystery Cat. Why this cat has been said as mystery cat, we are going to learn in this poem. But before we learn the poem, I would like to tell you about the poet of this poem. The poet of this poem is Mr. T.S. Eliot. The poet of this poem is Mr. T.S. Eliot. It means Thomas Stearns Eliot, who was born on 26th September 1888 at Stevens Louis, Missouri, at United States. And this poet was died on January 4th, 1965 at London, England. So he is an American English poet, playwright, literary critic, editor, and even a leader of the modernist movement in the poetry. His two compositions, like The West Land, which is composed in 1922, and Four Quartets, which was composed in 1943, are very famous across the whole world. So T.S. Eliot exercised a strong influence on Anglo-American culture from the 1920s until the late in the century. His experiments in diction, style, and versification revitalized English poetry. In 1948, he was awarded with both the Order of Merit Award and as well as the Nobel Prize for Literature. Such a great poet has composed this poem, and this is one of the interesting poems of the book Honeydew Class 8. Let us learn the poem. So my dear students, you may be having some of the pet or domestic animals at your home. Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about them? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is one for sure. The poem which we are going to learn, Macavity, the mystery cat, is really mysterious. So what is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? We will learn by reading this poem and understanding. So let us start with the first stanza. I will read out the first stanza and explain it. Let us start. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard and Flying Squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So this is what the first opening stanza of this poem. So in this poem, the poet describes a mysterious cat. It stands for the hidden paw. What does hidden paw means? Already it is highlighted. Hidden paw means a symbol of crime and cruelties. That is Napoleon. Hidden paw means what? A symbol of crime and cruelty. Here in the poem, the cat is a mysterious figure. Here in the poem, the cat is a mysterious figure. Even the famous detective agencies like Scotland Yard. So I have already highlighted Scotland Yard. What is Scotland Yard? Scotland Yard is the headquarters of the London Police Force. Scotland Yard is the headquarters of London Police Force, and the Flying Squad is also a group of police or soldiers ready to move quickly into action. So these both are very smart departments of England, but still them too, he is not getting caught. They even not able to find the Macavity out. He is the master criminal who defies any law. He is the master criminal who defies any law. Defies means what? One who disobeys or resists openly the law. One who breaks the law. One who breaks the law. So he is the cause of bafflement to the detective agencies like Scotland Yard and Flying Squad. So both the squads are not able to find him out because he is too clever to be caught by anyone. He is too clever to be caught by anyone. When they reach the place of crime, the mysterious cat is not there. Whenever the Scotland Yard or Flying Squad reaches there, that time they won't find anything because he always escapes from that place. Let us go to the second stanza. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He is broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So let us understand what is given in the second stanza. In the second stanza, the poet is saying that no one is like Macavity. No one is like Macavity. He has broken every human law. Whatever laws have been made for the soft, smooth running of the government and all, those all laws have been broken by Macavity, and even he has broken the law of gravity. He has broken the law of gravity means every person on the earth follows the law of gravity, but this cat is flying in the air, means it breaks the law of gravity. He has the power to rise or float in the air. He breaks the law of gravity means what? He has the power to rise and float in the air. It makes even a magician stare at its flying in the air. Magicians even looked captivatingly towards the Macavity. You may search for it in the basement, you look for it in the sky, but after doing crime, it is found nowhere. Okay, anywhere, wherever it is the making crime or doing crime, before you reach the place, it is not there. Such a dangerous cat it is, Macavity, the mystery cat. So here is a word which is made bold, levitation. What is the meaning of levitation? Levitation means floating in the air without support, without any support. One who floats in the air, that is called levitation. Now let us go back to the third stanza. Let us go back to the third stanza. Let us go back some remaining part of the second stanza. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. So whenever you are doing Macavity is doing crime in the basement or in the air, whenever you reach that place, that time Macavity is not available. It is escaped from that place. So let us come back to the third stanza. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His eyes are sunken in, his brow is deeply lined with thought, which head is highly domed. Which head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed, he sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. With movements like a snake, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. So, the poet T.S. Eliot proceeds to describe the cat by telling us that he is brown in color. Ginger cat means what? He is brown in color, he is very tall and thin in body. His eyes are sunken and eyebrows are deeply lined with thought. His eyes are sunken means his eyes are little inside. His eyes are little inside and eyebrows are deeply lined with thought. Whenever we think of something, that time we may be having wrinkles on our forehead. Like that, always it is thinking of the crime. For that purpose, his eyebrows are deeply lined with thought. His head is round in shape. His coat is dusty. His coat is dusty means what? It is having too much furs on its body. And his furs are dusty. And the whiskers. What are the whiskers here? Whiskers means long stiff hair grown near the mouth. You might have seen that cats are having whiskers on nearby their mouths. They are having long hair. No, those are called whiskers, and they are also tangled. Tangled means what? They are not combed. They are not combed. Okay. While moving like a snake, he sways. Sways means what? Move from side to side. He sways his head from side to side as if in search of some prey. Okay, whenever some animals are finding out the prey, that time they are swaying their head from side to side to find out the prey. Like that, it is swaying its head. He is so alert that in sleep also it is found awake. Okay, even somebody is thinking that it is sleeping, it is not sleeping, it is widely awake. Now let us look back to the fourth stanza. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. So this is what the last stanza of this poem. So in this poem, the poet T.S. Eliot is saying that there is no one like Macavity in his devilishness. There is no one like Macavity. He is a fiend. What is fiend here? It is bold. Fiend is a cruel and unpleasant one. Fiend means what? Cruel and unpleasant one. One who is like devil. Such kind of people are called. Such kind of things are called fiend. He is fiend in the guise of cat. He is fiend in the guise of cat. Okay. He is a monster of wickedness. He is the monster of wickedness, and he may be seen in a by street or in a square, on a plaza or open place. By street or place, square means what? At a plaza or open place. But when people come to know about a crime there, he is found nowhere. So he is doing mischiefs. He is mysterious. He is doing crime, but he is not being caught by anybody, not even by the Scotland Yard and Flying Squad. So both the police agencies were not even able to catch him. So he is a mysterious cat. I hope you have understood this poem. Still once again I will